Truly I tell you, whoever does not receive the kingdom of God as a little child will never enter it. Mark chapter 10, verse 15. This is the story of a man on fire with God's love. Saint Anthony Marie Claret, the father and founder of the Sons of the Immaculate Heart of Mary, or commonly known as the Claretian Missionaries. Father Claret, as a schoolboy, was never punished by his schoolmaster because he was careful, attentive, and punctual in all his school matters. As a schoolboy, he had the ability to grasp perfectly whatever his teachers or parents explained to him. He was able to memorize the catechism by heart and remember it well. From his childhood, he was practicing the religious virtues. Especially, he was well trained in obedience, and thus he was content in whatever he had done. At early age, he had already expressed his desire to become a priest. Apart from his excellence in studies, he also helped his father in his textile factory. He did everything best of his ability without showing any sign of displeasure or half-hearted interest, because he loved and was obedient to his parents so much. He would always find something positive to appreciate the workers in the factory before giving his correction or suggestion to improve their work. Whenever he saw someone being scolded by his father or other persons in charge, it disturbed him very much because he was very kind and compassionate by nature. From his childhood, he had been attracted to piety and religion, attending daily the Holy Mass, especially on feast days, visiting the Blessed Sacrament, reading spiritual books, reciting the Holy Rosary, attending catechism, and special devotion to Mother Mary. He, with his eldest sister Rose, made a frequent visit to the shrine of the Blessed Virgin Mary at Fusiman, which is near to their house. When he was 10 years old, he received his first Holy Communion. From that day onwards, he frequently received the Sacrament of Penance and Holy Communion. This is the story of a man on fire with God's love.